Hello mga aunties! So episode 4 or day 4 dito sa Maldives, and today we choose to be kunwari pa sexy tayo. So 4th day sa Maldives, and tomorrow evening we'll be leaving back home. I wish I could stay longer. So I plan to have my breakfast later na lang, and before that mag-workout muna tayo. Hindi ko na naayos yung pattern ko na kumain na dapat after 16 or 18 hours pa before my next meal. Kaso dito, we have to take the breakfast and then we have to take the dinner after 12 hours. So, parang punong-puno na yung aking kalamnan. So, let's take care of our health muna at least for 2 hours. For 2 hours bago ako mag-breakfast. I will go walk around or jog around, and I'll visit the gym as well. Kaya, arat na! Let's go for a walk. Doon lang ako sa shaded kasi hindi ako nakapag-sunblock sa likod ko. How is it walking in the morning in this beautiful place? Nakakamiss yung Pilipinas. Ganito dati yung bata pa ako sa Negros, sa Bayawan. May mga ganitong puno, ganitong halaman, ganyan. Tapos ganito yung dinadaanan na buhangin. Nakakamiss lang. Pero ngayon kasi puro na concrete. Ewan ko lang kung may ganito pa. Here is the gym. Ganda naman. Let's check inside. Morning! It's time for lafang, mga auntie. Ang sarap ng pineapple na yan. Very sweet. Mga auntie, this is our breakfast. And of course, our protein is egg. And some meatloaf and a piece of cheese. And sorry, I have to hold this. It's so good, the hash. Breakfast is over and it's time for us to just relax and chill kasi this afternoon we will go for scuba diving. So I have the whole morning to just explore or chill dito sa place na to. Ang ganda. That was the villa that we were in for 2 nights. And here I am, mga auntie. Nagchacharot-charot lang. Kunwari. Yan na. Super ganda dito. How I wish I could stay here forever. Sana, Lord. I need more blessings. I need sugar dada. I need asukal di papa. Charot. Hindi naman. We have to work hard for the life that we want. Yan si auntie. Chill. Kunwari walking. Ganon. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon kasi yung kasama ko nag-dive na siya. So, we actually get 2 dives a day. Pero ayaw kong i-exhaust yung sarili ko. Gusto ko lang relax. Okay na sa akin yung once a day. Pero ang ganda talaga sa ilalim ng dagat. Gusto ko na rin maging sirena. So, lumipat ako dito kasi there are more entertainment here. May nagsisurf. So, I just stayed and watched them. Nakakaaliw. I wish I know how to surf. Oh, girl! Parang ang saya lang. Hindi pa. Sayang. Yay! Oh, nice! snorkeling, mga auntie. Look at me. I was actually snorkeling alone here and enjoying the time. Kaso nga lang, si Mr. Sharky dumaan at ako'y natakot. Ayan, o, tingnan nyo. Kasi I was really having fun following them. And then yan, si Sharky. Oh my God, there's a shark. Akala ko safe, medyo safe dito kasi mababaw. May shark, nakakainis. Pero sabi naman, friendly, sanay na sila sa mga tao. Pero syempre ako lang mag-isa, tapos shark pa rin yun. My God. Pag nagkataon, naging ulam ako dahil. Hi mga auntie! So, another dive! And it was all amazing! I saw a turtle, like a big one, like 2.5 meters. I saw 2 sharks and schoolfish. I'm gonna show you in a separate vlog. Amazing. It was amazing. I wish I could dive again and again. Dinner for tonight. We have paratha, lamb curry, lamb grill, and pumpkin, and mix of vegetables and beans, and of course salad. We have 3 different salads. And it's time to chill. Ayan, listening to the band. They're from the Philippines. Proud of you, kabayans. And that's it. Another day has gone. And thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, mga auntie, mga uncle. Good night.